Are you familiar with the case Emmett v. Johnson?
I've heard of it. Something like lethal injection is cruel and barbaric.
Something like. According to briefs filed in that case, Virginia's method in particular carries a greater risk of inflicting pain than the method used in Kentucky, which the Supreme Court approved.
Our methods are substantially the same.
The brief includes evidence that members of the death team, including, I assume, you, don't understand how the drugs work, don't know how to properly administer an IV, and don't know how to correctly observe the inmate during the execution to determine if anything is going wrong.
That's an argument in a lawsuit. There's another argument on the other side. Why don't you read that?
Oh, I'm sure there is. Are you aware that a prominent medical society has found Virginia's method of execution unacceptable?
I know doctors have an issue with the death penalty in general, so it wouldn't surprise me if some physicians group said that.
Neither would I, except the group I'm referring to happens to be the American Veterinary Medical Association. Some vets have banned your lethal injection protocol because the method Virginia uses on humans is considered too barbaric to be used on cats and dogs.
Objection. The AVMA has said that their report was misinterpreted.
Sustained. Mr. Sack, this case is not about the legitimacy of the death penalty. And if that's where you're coming from, you can tuck in your little tail and head on back to Massachusetts.
Your Honor, I'm very proud of my home state, home of the Red Sox, the Patriots, Mitt.
We take our laws here in Virginia very seriously, sir.
Do you take this case seriously? Show of hands, because, you know, it is a bit silly.
Objection.
There's a man on trial here for trying to kill somebody. The state was already killing. If anything, my client accomplished the death penalty.
Mr. Sack.
The legitimacy of which I certainly would never question, particularly in Virginia.
Your Honor. Sack.
Oh, how about torture? Are we for that? Because this
I'm
man
warning you.
was being tortured. That's why my client
Objection,
pulled the
Your
trigger
Honor.
to
Objection.
spare
Order.
horrendous suffering.
Get control of the room, will you, Judge?
Bailiff.